Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks Bank not connecting issues quickly. Yeah, if your bank account isn't linking or transactions aren't updating, it can be really frustrating, especially when you rely on automatic syncing, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you check a few key things. So first, check your bank login credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct because even a small mistake can stop QuickBooks from connecting to your bank. Next, log in to your bank's website directly. Yeah, this helps confirm that your account is active and there are no alerts, security checks, or maintenance issues blocking access. After that, refresh your bank connection inside QuickBooks. Go to the banking section and update the connection manually to resync your transactions. Also, check for any bank server issues. Sometimes, your bank may be under maintenance or experiencing downtime, which can temporarily block the connection. And yeah, make sure your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility with banking systems. Finally, if the issue continues, disconnect and reconnect your bank account in QuickBooks. Most of the time, these steps will restore the connection and get your transactions syncing again without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.